In this video, I'm going to go over the Builderall browser notifications. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video, we're going to be covering the Builderall browser notifications. And this is another little hidden gem inside of Builderall where you can send browser notifications to people even if they're not on your website. So without further ado, let's jump in. Browser notifications are basically so you can reach out to people within the browser even if they're not on your website. So when someone subscribes to your browser notifications, they'll see a little pop-up in the right-hand corner when you send a push through here. So this can be to a website, it can be to some content, it can be to an affiliate link, or it can be to whatever you want. And it's really easy to set up. You just literally grab the code, copy the code onto your website, and then whenever someone comes onto the website, it will pop up asking if they want to receive more information from you. And that's it. Once they click accept, they're added to your subscriber list and you can send push notifications to them whenever you like. And it can be very, very useful as it has a lot higher open rate and a lot higher view rate than email marketing. So if we come into edit here, you can see exactly how it shows up on the site. So when someone clicks onto your website, it's going to say get desktop notifications to keep up to date on latest offers or whatever you want to type in, and then they click accept and they now accept push notifications from you. And then here you can see the notifications that come up on the bottom right hand side. So you can add your icons, you can add a click URL for them to be taken through to a website, and you can get some good conversions from browser notifications. So that was a brief overview of the browser notifications feature in Builderall. I hope you can think of tons of ways you can use this to increase your conversions as well, and having it all integrated in Builderall just makes it that much easier. So hope you're going to be playing around with that. If you're not yet in Builderall, click the link below and start your 7-day free trial for unlimited access for 7 days to all of the Builderall tools. And I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification and smash that thumbs up. And I will see you in another video.